What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jay Will, back at it again. And in today's video, I got something real special for you guys. Today is the official release of my sample pack, also called Generation Z. The sample pack includes 10 samples, 100% royalty free. You heard me right, 100% royalty free. Now, if you actually make the beat up and you end up selling the beat to a multi-million-dollar recording artist, I'm not gonna be like, hey bro, you remember selling that beat to that? You made how much? 20K? Oh, you know I'm gonna need my cut, right? You know I'm gonna need your cut, right? Like, I'm gonna need mine. But nah, I'm not gonna even do nothing like that. But hey, if you be like, hey Jay Will, I sold this for 20 G's, you know what? Here's a band. That's just off strength. I'm not gonna deny it either, you know? But anyways, today's video what we're gonna be doing is we're actually gonna be making a beat. We're gonna be making a beat with this loop pack. So before we get started, what I'm gonna need you to do is, for one, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time that I upload a new video. And in order to download that sample pack, the link is down below in the description. Also, make sure you smash that like button. So bring in the hook. Once again, it's completely free, 100% royalty free at that. So man, let's go ahead and get into making this beat. And remember, you can download the whole pack down there in the description. So let's get started. So I took the liberty of picking out which one I want to do right now. Then this is what it sounds like, peoples. So there's a little taste for you real quick. So we're just gonna loop this through halfway through. Put our first pattern in there. I'm gonna put all my instruments in the first pattern. All right, so now we got a ghost notes in place. We're gonna sit here and play exactly what we got. Let's hear it.
Hours later.
All right, so this is what we got for the bass line. All right, so that's what we got. We're gonna go ahead, highlight everything, Control B to bring it all the way over, make sure it's quantized right, and then bam, there we go. So there's our 808 line right there. So next thing I like to do is I like to bring in the actual kick. All right, so our next instrument is the kicks. So we're gonna bring it. I think I figured out which one I want already. It's one of my go-tos. Let's see. Yeah, yep. I'm gonna use this one for today. Let's see what we got. So, and then on top of that, what I like to do is I like to turn off the 808s, just so I can hear what the kick will sound like. I got. So that's what I got for that. What I also like to do is I like to put in another melody. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna bring in something that I have a trial for. It's actually Arcade. See how it sounds with it, you know. So then we get Arcade up. Let's see exactly what we can do with it. So go to our kits.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, oh, yeah, 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 wanna be, yeah, 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 oh, wait.
So see what we got.
Wait, wait.
First of all, let's see what we got because I don't think it's in the right key. Let's see. And it is not at all. So we're just going to go to C. And I'm going to lock that sucker in. Turn up.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I wonder. Let's see. I think I like that. Let's see. Control B. I like that a lot. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna turn the 808s back on. Let's hear it. Alright, so it sounds pretty good right now. I'm gonna add in a couple of snares real quick and see exactly what that sounds like as well. So we'll need the snare to load up. Let's go ahead, piano roll. Put you where you need to be. Bam. can delete all that. Delete. LOL. But let's see. Bring that over here. I think we're good with that. Let's bring in some hi-hats. See what that does. Add a little flavor to the beat, you know. Let's see. Let's see. Where is you? I'm in the wrong section. Bam, there we go. Control B. Now what we're gonna do is add a open hat. So we're done with the beat. All it is rearranging, mixing it and everything to make it sound even better. So before I let you listen to the final product, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, make sure you hit that notification bell as well. If there isn't anything else, I appreciate you for listening to the end of this video. Go ahead and listen to the track and hit that subscribe button while you're listening. See you next time. Peace. AJ Will.